Sardinia, welcome to Cagliari, welcome everybody to our 18th International Workshop on Neonatology and Pediatrics. We are very happy to guest you in this beautiful town, this beautiful island. This event follows the previous 17 editions, very successful, and we had the participation of more than 11,000 people. This year, the proceedings will be published in the Journal of Pediatric and Neonatal Individualized Medicine, which is indexed in Scopus and Web of Science, and which is official journal of several international and national societies. I want to thank all the people who has organized with me this event. In particular, I want to thank the honorary president, Professor Enver Hasanoglu from Ankara, Turkey, who is also the president of the International Pediatric Association, and also the co-presidents from Italy, Austria, Greece, and India. Moreover, I would like to thank all my collaborators, physicians, nurses, administrative people who helped me very much in organizing the workshop. Welcome to the 18th International Workshop on Neonatology and Pediatrics. Buon congresso!